why, a question born in every word. No limits hold, no borders bind. The journey starts within my